An example of that would be dog toys. That's a good example. So dog toys is a very, very good example of that. So you will notice that the department pets is not here. Home and kitchen, home improvement, health and beauty, blah, 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 blah. Nowhere is pets category open on Amazon here in Australia. But we've got 40,000 results for dog toys. So clearly there's a way around that. And the way around it is, you can see where they're all being listed. Look, it's getting listed in kids' bathroom, in home and decorative, in sports equipment. Somebody's listed some things in crocheting. It just gets put anywhere. Let's go and check this one. So Zenify puppy toys. So this is listed in kitchen and dining. That's where that's been listed. All right. So clearly you just list, and this is a really good thing to think about. You put it up there, and then what will absolutely happen is once Amazon opens the pet category, and they will this year for sure, they'll simply take all of the products that are listed in the wrong category and put them into the right category, the new category that they open, pet toys. Okay. So just go for it, win. Just put it up there and get it selling and get yourself started. That's the way to do it. Like it was the case was a little while ago that protein powder, which is normally sold in health and personal care, health, household and personal care, that category wasn't open. You could not legitimately sell protein powder, but we were selling protein powder and we just listed it in a different category and went for it that way. Okay, so you can do it. Just get it up there. Amazon, I'm sure they just turn a blind eye to it. I was going to say they don't give a shit, but that's probably not true. I'm sure they just turn a blind eye to it because they know that ultimately they're going to open the category and they want to make the sales. They want to get scale on the platform. That's what they're trying to achieve. Okay, so win. Just go for it. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.